In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Teamspace from a group in Notion. If you already have groups set up in your Notion workspace, such as departments, project teams, or any collection of people, turning those groups into Teamspaces can make collaboration much easier. A Teamspace gives that group its own dedicated area for pages, projects, and documentation, with permissions managed in one place. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your Notion workspace. Look toward the top left corner of the app where your workspace name appears. Right next to it, you'll see an option for Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you manage everything related to your workspace, including members, groups, and team spaces. Once the Settings panel is open, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on the section labeled People. This area is dedicated to managing who has access to your workspace and how they're organized. You'll see individual members, as well as any groups that have already been created. Now, within the People section, find and click on the tab or area labeled Group. This is where all your existing groups are listed. Each group might represent a team, like marketing or engineering, or any other structure you've chosen for your organization. Take a moment to locate the specific group you want to turn into a team space. When you've found the group you want, move your cursor over that group's row. On the right side, you should see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu with actions related to that group. In the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Create Teamspace from Group and click on it. Notion will then create a new Teamspace that's directly linked to this group. The existing members of the group will automatically be added to the new Teamspace, and their access will be managed through that group going forward. After creating the Teamspace, it's a good idea to head over to your sidebar, find the new Teamspace, and quickly review its settings, name, and permissions. You can rename it to something clear and recognizable, and start adding pages or projects that this team will use. And that's all you need to do to create a Teamspace